Hey guys, we are back with another video that is different from my usual videos. Today we are actually going to do a bill exchange video. It's probably going to be a little bit chaotic because the way I do it is kind of like I don't go to the bank and get a bunch of bills. I just take I don't go to the bank and get a bunch of bills. I just take from an envelope and I use that to kind of exchange bills. So we are going to do that now. We're going to start in the high priority binder, but first, look at these cute stickers. So I ordered this envelope, oh my God, look at it. It's so cute. And I'm getting a new binder because you ladies have inspired me to do, hi baby. You have inspired me to start up my side hustles again. And so I have started up my little photography business again. So I'm getting another binder that is going to be used for the side hustles and all of that. And so that's coming in later this week. It'll be in my next cash stuffing video, the first paycheck of October. But with that envelope, the girl who did it, I'll link her in the description. She sent some extra stickers, some extra goodies. So I was super grateful for that. And I love it. It's so, so cute. So we're going to go ahead and let's get started. First things first, I'm sorry if the lighting is a little bit weird. I kind of ran out of sunlight. It is what it is. You might notice I've changed this envelope right here to say emergency. That's because in my new binder, I needed the savings envelope for that one. And this is literally actually our emergency fund. So it just made sense to switch those out. And then, so what I do is I take from the debt envelope. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1,000 is actually all we need out of the debt envelope because our payment is $975 and some odd cents, and then we're canceling the Best Buy card forever. I'm so proud of us. We freaking did it. We're paying that bad boy off. So what I do is I take from here and we'll use these 100s to get bills from other envelopes. So emergency is fine the way it is. Car is fine the way it is. And then obviously debt is where we're taking from. Now Christmas, so what we're going to try to do is condense over here. So what we'll do is we'll put this up here. And we already have 100. So we're going to take these 50s out and trade for 100. And we're going to take these 50s out and trade for 100. And we have 20, 40, 60, 81. Take these 20s out and trade for 100. We have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100. I'm so sorry, Mr. Skelly. You're going to have to move over. I know. I'm talking to an inanimate object. I'm aware that I'm weird. Okay, and so we'll put the 10s over here and this over here, and we will put in another $100. So then here we have 10. Here's what we're going to do. Because it will condense it more to do the 5s, I'm going to set the 5s right here. Move my laptop out of the way. And we'll put in a 20. So now this envelope is thinner and easier to count. So we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 20, 31, 2, which is exactly how much that was already in there. It's very important when you're doing an exchange of your sinking funds to count when you're done and make sure that you end up with the amount. If you do it this way, make sure you end up with 1,000. And then as you go, count your envelopes and make sure that you end up with the amount you already had in there. So I had already updated my tracker, so that says 532. I know it's upside down for you, but you get the point. Now, this one is one of the ones that's like really thick in here. This is our son's college fund. It already has 100, and then we have 51. Take from here, 52. Oopsie poopsie. Oh, why did I don't even know. I don't even know. And we'll take from here, and then we'll go 20, 40, 60, 81. There's another $100. And we'll put that there. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 85, 95. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's another 100. So we'll put all of that into its respective piles. Put this 5 here. And then these 5 ones we'll put over here. So then we'll take this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All we're going to do with this is we're going to take these 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And switch it for a 5. So that's why I say it's like kind of chaotic, because sometimes I'll like put some bills away and then I take one back out. Like, it's just a little bit chaotic sometimes. All right, so now let's see what we've got here. We have 100, 200, 300, 400, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, the 100 I just put, I need to put in here. Okay, go me. So we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's why it's really important to keep these updated, and always important to count as you go, because I would have just missed $100 just now because I was worried about those 5 ones turning into a 5. Oh, and now that is so much smaller. And that, we're still looking into what kind of account we want to open for that college fund. So we're going to keep stuffing it for the time being. I am going to take our $10 challenge for the It's Fall, y'all. And I'm going to move it over here into like where that new envelope is about to be. Because I'm going to keep my savings challenge and my side business stuff in that envelope or binder. So I'm going to do that. Groceries, you guys already know about that if you follow me, but this is like the whole month worth of grocery money. So there's nothing to condense there. Like, that's just what we're going to spend each week. And then this, we need this envelope because this is the to bank envelope. And we're going to need that literally to take this money back to the bank. So that is all for this binder. And now we're going to go into our next binder, which is the lower priority. I always do that. I cannot keep my life right. I'm always bumping and banging and everything. Oh, there we go. Okay. All right. Now we're going to go. Okay, like, guys. Oh, she's so cute. I love. Okay, like, check out Breezy Budgets. I'm going to link her below. So kind of her to send a little freebie. I didn't even ask for that. Like, what a queen. All right. So we're going to get in here and condense some funds as well. And we're going to say 20, 40, 60, 81. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 92. Let me count that one more time. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200. We'll put this over here. And take this 100. And we have a 50, 60, 1, 2, 3. So that is as small as that is going to get, which is great. It is a little bit thinner, which is what we need. And then family fun, now we're going to use these 50s, which I don't mind because if I'm taking out 5 20s and putting in 2 50s, I feel like that's pretty cool. Pretty cool. The bank hates me when I do this because I give them back so much cash to count, but I really don't care. Last time the lady was like, "What do you do for a living?" And I was like, "I'm a teacher." What do you mean what I do for a living? because I had so much cash to give her. I was like, it's not what you think, okay? I'm gonna put these ones up here for your viewing pleasure. All right, so we have, excuse me, 20, 40, 60, 80, 5, 95, 100. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 5, 95, 100. I'm like a big time, I like to double count just because it's like ingrained in my soul. Okay, it's ingrained in my soul. That's what it is. Here we go. And we have 50 and 100. And we have 5, 10, 15, 20. And we're going to take a 20. And that will leave us with $120, which is exactly how much we are supposed to have. So, not perfect, not all $100 bills, but it's kind of the easiest way. I feel like it's like an easy, lazy way to do it. All right, then pets. Well, that money's about to get spent, so I'm not even going to worry about that. Date night. Since we are waiting to use this, I'm going to go ahead and condense it. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 1. So one more time. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100. So, and we will take 2 50s for that. Okay, and we'll put that there. There's 200. Then we have 10, 15, 20. Take a 20. And then 5, 10, 15, 20. And we'll take a 20. My binders were kind of having a hard time closing. So it's really good to go in and condense when you can. Makes your life easier. Car maintenance. I think this is probably as small as it's going to be able to be. Oh no, we can do a 20. So we have 51, 20, 10, 5, 10. So 10 plus 10 is 20, and 20. All right, so we have $141, which is good. I need to get an oil change and my tags renewed. That money's about to get spent. Miscellaneous. Here we go. I'm so sorry about the light, guys. It's driving me crazy, but I guess it is what it is. So with 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And we will be counting. Do I have 2? Yes. Okay, there's only 2 left. Good for me to remember. All right, and see, this is where it's like, you just had a 20. Okay. Those 2 will make a 20, and that's a little bit easier to manage. 100, 20, 1, 2. Okay. And then the birthday fund. Yes, let's try and condense this a tiny bit. Oh, God. Probably should have saved some hundreds. 20, 40, 60, 81. And that's like all we have is those 51s there. Or that, you know what I mean. 20, 40, 60, 82, 20. So 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83. Let's just try to condense this as much as we can. So that's 20. Oh, it's a lot of 5s. So there's another 20. I gotta remind myself next time to do birthday first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll at least get that down to a 5. Yeah, it's better. It's better. It did take, it took a little bit of the bulk out, which is good. That's what we want when we're doing this. Condensing, and this is a fund that we use a lot. And coming up in October, there's 2 nephew birthdays, so we've got to plan for those. And I'm not gonna condense this, nothing to condense. These are envelopes for monthly things. Okay, guys, that's it. And look, she closes easily now. She was kind of busting open before. All right, so now it's time for Okay, now it's time for like my favorite part of these kind of videos, which is counting all of the money and making sure that it has what you started with. Because if it doesn't, oh god, it's gonna suck. All right, I'm gonna stack these up in $100 increments so that I can be a lazy mathematician. Okay, everything work smarter, not harder, right? 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85. Oh my God. 20, 40, 60, 86. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 97. Come on, fit in there. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 800. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 75, 85, 95, 900. Okay. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 1,000. So, I don't know why I make sound effects. Oh god. Oh gosh. Okay. So right there, what a beautiful sight to see, right? That is $1,000. We will put that all into this envelope here. And guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I cannot wait for this money to go pay off that credit card, and even whatever is residual, like, because this is 1,000 and that is 975, we're going to apply to the Lowe's credit card that we're going to pay down and pay off. We use that card a lot for a lot of reasons, and we like that card. We're going to continue using it, but Best Buy, they did us dirty and we're done with them. That card we're actually going to close, and we will never be shopping there again. So that was like a story time in one of my budget videos, which I'll tag. But yeah, I'm super excited. This way of budgeting has helped us so much. And I thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, guys.